Welcome to this breakout session on BricsCAD V26.1 and our new project database architecture. In the next few minutes, I'll cover why distributed workflows are critical for today's subcontracted trades. I'll cover the changes we've made to the project database, also called the BSYSLIB. I'll show how to create a new project in BricsCAD and how to populate it with the details that matter most. I'll give a demonstration of the project database in action from tender through fabrication and on-site markups. And finally, I'll show you where you can try the new BSYSLIB and BricsCAD V26.1 for yourself. In construction and manufacturing for the built environment, subcontractors rarely work on one project at a time. Most are juggling multiple projects. And with a single project, different stages are being developed in parallel. That means the whole engineering team needs to access the same project information, no matter which part they're working on. Take one example. When a temporary works assembler receives the structural slab levels from the design team, that information drives everything that comes after it. It only makes sense then that the data is available across all drawings in a project. Other key project-level details might include material compositions for wall types or slabs, or custom properties and IFC class definitions provided by the engineers. This brings us to the enhancements we've made in BricsCAD V26.1. Now, when you organize drawings and digital assets into a BricsCAD project, each user works from their local copy without interference. When you save, anyone with access to the shared project sees the same updated information. And what if two engineers change the same data at the same time? BricsCAD adopts the most recent change, and the system notifies the user whose work has been overwritten. So, let's look at how to set up a new project in BricsCAD. Start from a project template. Open it, then save your drawing to the shared team location. Now, open the BIM project browser. Here, you'll set up project conventions like naming conventions, named views, sheet numbering, and routines. You'll also see the BSYSLIB file, the project database that drives collaboration. From here, you're ready to define project information. Use the Spatial Locations Manager to set up your site, building, and levels. These correspond to the IFC site, IFC building, and IFC building story. For a building, define its base level relative to the site. Repeat this for multiple buildings. For each story, enter an elevation. BricsCAD calculates the story height automatically. Next, define compositions, the building element types. Open the BIM Compositions panel. Filter by classification, meaning beams, columns, slabs, or walls. To create a new type, click New Composition. Add plies. Set thicknesses and materials, and save. Within a few clicks, your project library has the detailed data needed for coordination. And finally, let's add custom properties. Open the BIM Properties dialog. Create properties related to the project phase or staging. These details are now part of your project's shared information model. Now, Why is this important? Because in real projects, as-built conditions never match design exactly. Every deviation impacts your work, whether in drawings, fabrication, or in on-site assembly. BricsCAD helps you capture project-specific details, share them across your whole team, and maintain consistency and accuracy. And when project data changes at any stage, BricsCAD ensures that the update reaches everyone. That means fewer errors, faster deliverables, and higher quality. Let's see this in a project workflow. During the tender phase, subcontract engineers often receive federated design assets from the design team. In BricsCAD, you can import IFC files and filter for the data you need. Within minutes, you have a solid foundation for your technical proposal, reducing risk at the bidding stage. One engineer calculates equipment levels. Another specifies wall types for attachment constraints. Each saves their work, and the database syncs their updates. Meanwhile, the project manager adds custom procurement parameters. Later, shop drawings are verified against as-built site conditions. A wall type is revised. Equipment elevations are finalized. And once again, saving the work distributes the updates instantly. BricsCAD V26.1 gives subcontractors the tools to manage projects with confidence, from tender to fabrication and assembly out in the field. To experience the new BSYSLIB project database yourself, scan the QR code and try BricsCAD V26.1 today.